Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Are you all fine?
Yes, sir, and you?
I am also fine. Okay, my screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday we completed 2 questions, and the day before yesterday also. In that way, we completed 4 questions related to construction up to now. Today we are going to do some more questions from the same chapter. And I said to you to do this question. Construct an octagon inside circle of radius 4 centimeter using compass. Yesterday we constructed one octagon with the help of protractor by finding the interior angle. But here in this question, we have to find out the octagon. We have to construct the octagon by use of compass only. So for this purpose, at first we have to take a line segment of length 4 centimeter, because it is said to construct an octagon inside a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Okay, so now take compass. After drawing line segment of length 4 centimeter and fix this compass to 4 centimeter, then draw a circle whose radius is 4 centimeter. फर्स्टमा हामीले एउटा लाइन सेगमेन्ट ड्र गर्यौं whose length is 4 centimeter, and after that we have taken radius of 4 centimeter to draw circle. This is of 4 centimeter, and this point let it be O. Okay, and let this is the point A. Center of circle, let center of circle be O, and this point be A, and radius of circle is 4 centimeter. Do you have any confusion up to now?
No, sir.
No? Then our next process is we have to construct diameter along this radius. जुन अहिले भर्खरै radius ड्रा गरेका छौं त्यसमै हामीले diameter ड्रा गर्नुपर्ने हो. This is a diameter, and draw perpendicular bisector of it. यो जुन diameter छ यसको perpendicular bisector ड्रा गर्नुपर्ने. So to draw perpendicular bisector, we have to take arc in compass which is more than half of the diameter. Diameter is total 8 centimeter, 4 centimeter to left side, this one, and 4 centimeter is here to right side. But we have to take arc which is more than half of it. हाफ भन्दा बढी आर्क लिएर माथि र तल दुईतिर काट्नु पर्छ to get the perpendicular bisector. So cut it downward also, and do same thing from another end, from end A. अर्को इन्डबाट पनि त्यही काम गर्नुपर्ने हो. Cut the arc upward without disturbing the arc in our compass. compassमा arc disturb नगरिकन माथि र तल काट्नुपर्ने. The arc which is more than half of the line segment for which we are going to draw perpendicular bisector. यो जुन डायमिटर लाइन छ यसको परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्र गर्दैछौं भने त्यो परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्र गर्नको लागि यसको हाफ भन्दा बढी आर्क लिएर कम्पासले तल र माथि दुईटै इन्डबाट आर्क काट्नु पर्यो. इट इज क्लियर अप टु नाउ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are proceeding to draw octagon inside the circle whose radius is 4 centimeter. After drawing these arcs upward and downward, join these arcs. Either you may use dotted line or you may use solid line. That's your choice. Let me take different color for it. I have drawn a perpendicular bisector here for our diameter. Okay. So up to now, in how many parts this circle is divided? Circle का कतिवटा part भयो त यो दुईटा line draw गरिसकेपछि how many parts we get? 4 parts. But for octagon we need 8 sides. Octagon मा 8 वटा side हुन्छ भने यो circle लाई हामीले 8 वटा parts मा divide गर्नुपर्ने हो. Okay. So again we have to divide these each parts into two equal parts. यो चारवटा जुन पार्टहरु अहिलेसम्म बन्यो यो चारवटै पार्टहरुलाई फेरि दुईटा पार्टहरुमा डिवाइड गर्नुपर्ने. For that again we have to take compass. Compass लिएर यो end A अनि end B बाट, sorry not from end B, from these two, यहाँनिरको एउटा यो माथिपट्टिको end अनि यो तलपट्टिको end A, यो दुईटै पोइन्ट बाट माथि आर्क काट्नु पर्यो यसको बाइसेक्टर ड्रा गर्नको लागि. ओके. Fix the compass and draw it from both ends. यो माथिको end र तलको end दुईटै ठाउँबाट ड्रा गर. ओके. Is this clear? This is the bisector of this 90 degree. OA अनि यहाँदेखि यो माथि गएको डटेड लाइनको बाइसेक्टर बन्यो. 45 डिग्री को एंगल बन्दैछ. Use your scale and draw this angle. Did you get what I am doing here? यहाँ गरिराखेको काम के हो भन्दा हामीले परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रा गर्यौं सुरुमा अनि सर्कल डिवाइड भयो. आफ्टर डिवाइडिङ सर्कल इन्टु 4 पार्ट्स, now we are dividing this circle into 8 parts to draw the octagon. Okay. Similarly bisector ड्रा गर्यो भने यहाँ पनि 45 को दुईटा एंगल बन्छ, यता पनि 45 डिग्री को दुईटा एंगल बन्छ. So use same process from this side. यतापट्टि यही काम गर्नुपर्ने छ. Okay. This one is the bisector of left sides 90 degree. राइट साइड को 90 डिग्री को बाइसेक्टर अफ 90 डिग्री यो भयो. लेफ्ट साइड को बाइसेक्टर यहाँबाट ड्रा गर्दा बन्छ. जस्ट रिमेम्बर दैट वी आर गोइङ टु ड्रा बाइसेक्टर अफ 90 डिग्री to get 8 equal parts of the circle. Now draw it. Now how many parts we get in the circle? Circle में कतिवटा पार्टहरु भयो अब भित्र?
8.
We get the 8 parts now.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We get 8 parts inside the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So to get octagon, यसमा octagon बनाउनको लागि अब यो पोइन्टहरुलाई जोड्दै जाने हो सर्कलमा. Are you observing my mouse cursor? यो माउस कर्सर मा जहाँ जहाँ राख्दै छु यो पोइन्टहरुलाई स्केल युज गरेर जोड्दै गएपछि 8 वटा साइडहरु बन्छ. And we will get the regular octagon here. Okay. So take scale now to draw the lines. Try to draw exactly. फरक नहुने गरी. I did mistake here. यो अलिकति बाहिर गयो है. यसरी बाहिर जाने गरी ड्रा गर्ने होइन. सर्कल को एक्ज्याक्ट सर्कलमा पर्नु पर्यो. Neither outside nor inside. भित्र पनि पर्नु भएन, बाहिर पनि जानु भएन. But I did mistake here. So don't do mistake like this. Similarly, do same thing to this side also. यतापट्टि पनि त्यही काम गर. Here also, as we have drawn line here, its opposite line will be parallel to it. यसको जुन अपोजिट मा भएको लाइन छ तलपट्टि त्यो योसँग प्यारलल हुन्छ यहाँनिर. So we can draw two lines together. एउटा लाइन यहाँ ड्रा गर्यौं, एउटा लाइन माथि ड्रा गर्यौं. Okay. Similarly, draw the line segment here This is another line segment. So do same thing here. यसलाई यतापट्टि ल्याएर राइट साइडतिर अर्को लाइन यसैलाई युज गरेर ड्रा गर्न सक्छौ. This is another line. Now two more lines are remaining to draw. These two are remaining, two opposite sides. One line, and this one is another line. So look at the sides. We get 8 sides here. One side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we get here a regular octagon. So let us give name to it. A, let this be point. B, let it is point C. Okay. D, next one E, F, G, and it is H. So easily we can construct an octagon inside a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Did you understand it, or there is confusion? You can construct it now, or there is problem?
No, sir.
There is no problem?
No, sir.
No, then if there is no problem, let's move to next question. And before going to next question, what we have to write at last? What we have to write at last? What we constructed here?
Therefore, regular octagon.
Regular octagon. What is the name of regular octagon?
Ji?
A, B, C,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
EFGH is constructed.
Name of regular octagon.
Okay, this much we have to write here. In this way, our construction is completed. So look at next question. Next question number 6. Construct a rectangle with one side 3 centimeter and diagonal 5 centimeter. So one side of rectangle is given, that is 3 centimeter, and diagonal of rectangle is 5 centimeter. Two things are given to us. Let us draw a rough figure here. Let this be one rectangle which we have to draw. यस्तै rectangle एउटा draw गर्नुपर्ने हो. For example, let it is P, Q, R, and this is point S. And we know that all angles of rectangle are 90 degree. यहाँनिरको यो angle 90 हुन्छ. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. All angles of rectangle are 90 degree. Rectangle का जति 4वटा एंगलहरु छन् सबै 90 degree हुन्छन्. That we have to remember, that we have to keep in our mind.
Yes, sir.
And length of one side is 3 centimeter. It is given to us. So this one is 3 centimeter. You 3 centimeter हुनु पर्यो. And diagonal of rectangle is 5 centimeter. One diagonal of rectangle is 5 centimeter. So from one end, either from in Q or from in P, we have to take an arc of 5 centimeter. यो दुईटा लाइनहरु SR र RQ ड्रा गर्नु भन्दा पहिला यो Q point बाट 5 centimeter को आर्क लिनु पर्यो. यसरी एउटा आर्क आउने भयो by using compass. अनि यो आर्क आइसकेपछि यहाँनिर 90 degree को एंगल बनाउनु पर्यो, because all angles of rectangle are 90 degree. First we have to draw 3 centimeter, then arc of 5 centimeter, then draw 90 degree, and we will get this diagonal SQ. Your diagonal आउँछ. And we know that opposite sides of rectangle are equal. यो 3 centimeter छ भने यताको यो पनि 3 centimeter हुन्छ माथिको. Upper one is also 3 centimeter. माथिको side पनि 3 centimeter हुन्छ. And side RQ is equal to SP. SP जति हुन्छ RQ पनि त्यति नै हुन्छ. त्यसरी हामीले यो point R पनि obtain गर्न सक्छौं by taking arc of 3 centimeter from here. यहाँबाट 3 centimeter को arc लिएर S बाट यता काट्यौं अनि Q बाट PS जतिकै arc लिएर यसरी काट्यौं भने यो point आइहाल्छ, point R also. In that way you can complete this construction. So let us move to the construction. We clear it at first. Okay. So what is the length of side of rectangle? I have to show you again, or you have in mind? Length of side of rectangle is 3 centimeter. Okay. Color now. 3 centimeter. This is the length of side of rectangle. एउटा side को length 3 centimeter दिएको छ. So let it be P and another one here. This one is Q. We said let these are P and Q. Okay, this is its length is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Sorry. PQ is a line segment whose length is 3 centimeter. Now, for rectangle, draw one angle of 90 degree at one end of this line segment of length 3 centimeter. यो 3 centimeter भएको line segment को कुनै end मा, either at left end or at right end, draw angle of 90 degree by use of compass. Compass use गरेर 90 degree बनाउनु पर्ने हो. And you know how to draw 90 degree, or you don't know? How many of you know how to draw 90 degree and how many of you don't know? 90 degree बनाउन आउँछ कि आउँदैन?
Yes, sir.
You know it?
Yes, sir.
So at first draw arc from P. First one it is 60 degree. फेरि यो 60 degree बाट अर्को आर्क काट्यो भने 120 degree आउँछ. Okay, this is 120. If you will cut arc upward from 60 and 120, 60 र 120 बाट आर्क माथितिर काट्यो भने त्यसपछि यो भन्छ 90 degree. This gives us angle of 90 degree. यहाँ vertically स्केललाई यसरी राखेर ड्रा गर्यो भने अब यो 90 degree को एंगल भयो. So is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Up to now we have drawn an angle of 90 degree from point P and a line segment of 3 centimeter. Next thing is, it is said that length of diagonal is 5 centimeters. So we have to get 5 centimeter in our compass. Compass में 5 centimeter को arc लिनु पर्यो. Okay, take 5 centimeter exactly. Is this 5 centimeter?
Yes, sir.
It is 5 centimeter and fix it and cut it from Q. Diagonal भनेको छ यसो slanted. Q बाट यतातिर अथवा P बाट यतातिर diagonal हुन्छ. So cut it here. यसलाई यहाँ काट. This is 5 centimeter. And it is our diagonal. Draw this diagonal. Okay. If one diagonal is 5 centimeter, another diagonal is also 5 centimeter. अर्को diagonal पनि 5 हुन्छ. यहाँबाट यता पनि 5 काटे हुन्छ. Or you may take length of arc equal to 3 from this point, 3 यताबाट र यो vertical length जति छ त्यति नै Q बाट काट्यो भने अर्को point आउँछ, fourth point. Up to now we get 3 points of rectangle. PQ अनि यहाँनिरको पोइन्ट आयो अब यो R र S आइसक्यो R आउन बाँकी छ for that either take arc of 5 cm from P यो P point बाट यतातिर 5 cm को arc काट्दा हुन्छ you can cut the arc of 5 cm because both diagonals of rectangle are equal दुईटै rectangle का diagonal हरु equal हुन्छन् and another thing is PQ is 3 cm and we know that opposite sides of rectangle are equal भनेको माथिको साइड पनि कति नै हुन्छ त माथिको साइड पनि 3 सेन्टिमिटर नै हुन्छ तलको साइड 3 सेन्टिमिटर थियो त्यसैले माथिको साइड पनि कति भयो 3 सेन्टिमिटर इट इज क्लियर
300.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay so this I have taken from P which is 5 centimeter and this vertical one ठाडो जुन छ यो 3 सेन्टिमिटर काटेको यताबाट take your scale and join these now scale लिएर दुईटै horizontal line as well as vertical line दुईटै join गर join it as well as vertical one join this one also and give the name now PQ already given let remaining points let this be point R and let this one is S so what is constructed here therefore a rectangle what is the name of rectangle PQ RS is
PQ.
constructed this work we did here and this is our final answer if there is no confusion let us move to question number 7 construct a rectangle with diagonal 6 centimeter and angle between them 60 degree we know that both the diagonals of rectangle are इक्वल दुईटै इक्वल हुन्छन् जस्तो अघिको फिगरमा हामीले दुईटै 5 सेन्टिमिटर को आर्क लिएको थियौं त्यसैगरी यहाँ पनि रेक्टेंगल को दुईटै डायगोनलहरु इक्वल हुन्छन् 6 सेन्टिमिटर and angle between them is 60 degree means angle between two diagonals is 60 degree is given to us so at first in its process we have to take one diagonal whose length is 6 centimeter यो 6 centimeter length भएको एउटा diagonal draw गर्नुपर्ने हो then we have to find out its midpoint perpendicular bisector draw गरेर तलमाथि arc काटेर यसरी यहाँनिर एउटा midpoint आउँछ from this midpoint we have to draw angle of 60 degree because length of angle between the diagonals is 60 degree this is given in question मा भनेको छ कि angle between diagonals 60 degree छ भनेर question ले भनेको छ okay so here we have to draw angle of 60 degree after that and both diagonals are equal दुईटै diagonal एउटा 6 cm छ भने अर्को diagonal पनि 6 cm नै हुन्छ so to make it this another diagonal 6 cm we have to take 3 cm upward and 3 cm downward दुईटैतिर बराबर लिनु पर्यो 3 cm माथि काट्नु पर्यो 3 cm तल अनि टोटल 6 हुन्छ तलको 3 र माथिको 3 लगाएर 6 हुन्छ and at last we have to join these यसरी जोइन गरेपछि एउटा रेक्टेंगल बन्छ okay did you got it यहाँ के गर्ने भन्यो त हामीले at first we have to take a line segment of 6 cm then find out its midpoint draw angle of 60 degree draw गरेर 3 cm माथि 3 cm तल लिएर 6 cm को एउटा डायगोनल बनायौं त्यसपछि जोइन गर्दियौं so we can complete it also in easy way at first what is the length of diagonal
6 centimeter.
Okay, length of diagonal is 6 centimeter. Let me take red color now. 6 centimeter. And now take your compass and draw perpendicular bisector of it. यसको bisector भनेको midpoint find out गर्नको लागि हामी तल र माथि arc काट्दै छौं. And while taking this arc we have to draw equal from both ends which is more than half of this line segment यो लाइन सेगमेन्टको हाफ भन्दा अलि बढी होस् त्यतिकै हेरेर लिने हो, नट बाई मेजरिङ। आधा भन्दा बढी भयो भने त्यो आर्क हामीले ड्र गर्नु पर्यो तलमाथि, आधा भन्दा बढी हुने गरी। ओके, एन्ड नाउ युज योर स्केल एन्ड फाइन्ड आउट द मिड पोइन्ट। यसरी यहाँबाट भर्टिकल लाइन लिनु पर्यो। जस्ट यु मे टिक हियर ओन्ली, यो बिचमा टिक गरे पुग्छ, बिकज वी निड मिड पोइन्ट ओन्ली। यो पोइन्ट चाहिएको हामीलाई, सेन्ट्रल पोइन्ट। दिस गिव्स अस 3 सेन्टिमिटर टु लेफ्ट साइड एन्ड 3 सेन्टिमिटर टु राइट साइड। जुन 6 सेन्टिमिटरको लाइन थियो त्यसको आधा बनायो। नाउ फ्रम दिस मिड पोइन्ट ड्र एंगल अफ 60 degree. Either you can draw from left side or you can draw from right side. That is your choice. 60 degree को एंगल राइट बाट बनाउने कि लेफ्ट बाट बनाउने तिमीले आफ्नो हिसाबले बनाऊ। ओके, फर्स्ट ड्र दिस आर्क एन्ड ड्र दिस वन। फर्स्ट यो सेन्ट्रल पोइन्ट बाट यता राइट तिर एउटा आर्क काट्यौ, त्यसपछि फेरि अर्को आर्क काटेर यो बन्यो 60 डिग्री को एंगल। एन्ड ड्र इट युजिङ योर स्केल। ओके, we have to draw this angle of 60 degree because angle between diagonal is 60 degree. Is there any confusion up to now?
No, sir.
Okay, now to get another diagonal also 6 centimeter, we have to take arc of 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter भनेको यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्म सेन्टर सम्मको, isn't it? छेउदेखि सेन्टरसम्म यो 63 सेन्टिमिटर छ। यहाँ यता नाप्दा पनि हुन्छ, इट इज अल्सो 3। दुईटैतिरको यो 3 सेन्टिमिटर हो। वी हैव टू टेक दिस आर्क एन्ड कट इट अप एन्ड डाउन फ्रम द सेन्टर। सेन्टरबाट अब यहाँ तल पनि काट 3 सेन्टिमिटर, अनि यसै गरी यो 3 सेन्टिमिटर कहाँ पनि काट त यता माथि पनि काट। इट इज क्लियर? किन 3 3 काट्यौ? 3 यहाँ गरेर टोटल यो डायगोनल को लेन्थ भयो 6 सेन्टिमिटर, because both diagonals of rectangle are equal to each other. Now join these points. अब यो diagonal को end point हरुलाई यसरी join गर्दै जाने हो। Let me join it without using scale because we don't have enough time. यहाँबाट यसरी join गर्छु है त। But in your copy you have to use scale to join the end points of diagonal. Did you got one rectangle? Rectangle आयो नि एउटा। So let this be W, let this point be X, let this point be Y, this one is Z, and at last we have to say therefore a rectangle